Folks, today I'm going to be cutting a hole in my roof. I've already marked it out and I'm ready to go. Saw's off. Let's just see for a test fit. Should be about right. We'll put our flashing around here. A lot of y'all may not know, but this goes around the pipe like this. You go underneath your shingles and everything seals back off right here. Hello down there.
That's a Sandy. Hey, hey.
Y'all see that? It's 75 degrees in here in January. It's pretty warm. The wood stove's ready. If only it wasn't nearly 80 degrees.
It won't be in 2 days.
Yes, y'all. It's supposed to drop like 20 or 25 degrees by Sunday. We just finished with school and lunch not long ago, so tiny little mess in here at the moment. We'll get this cleaned up. It's Friday. They might need these, I'm not sure, so we'll put them right here. We have chips here.
Maybe we can make mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Okay, y'all, we are about to make a cream cheese sheet cake for Friday night dessert. All right, so we need 6 ounces of cream cheese. And I've had this sitting out for a little bit, but it's not quite soft enough, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave on defrost for just a minute. We need the 6 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of butter softened. So I'm gonna soften all that up real quick. All right, we've got the butter and cream cheese in there. Now we're gonna put in the sugar. We need 2 cups and a 1/4 cup. Gotta fill up my sugar jar here. So while we cream this together, I already got out the cake flour. We need 6 eggs. Hey! And 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. I've gotta wash the eggs. I still have not gotten around to washing the eggs yet. Okay, we've got that ready. It looks light and fluffy. So we're gonna add the eggs one at a time. I'm just gonna let it keep going and just drop in an egg. We'll go ahead and put in the vanilla. I've never had a cream cheese sheet cake before. I'm thinking that it's gonna be kind of pound cake like, but thinner, you know. Now we put in the cake flour. That's it. We're gonna mix that in, and I'm gonna grease a 15 by 10 by 1 sheet pan. It just said to grease the pan, not flour it, so we're not gonna flour it. I've already got the oven preheated to 350. Oh, we're supposed to be at 325, y'all. Hold up, let me turn that down. Okay, got it turned down. It's gonna bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Spread it out. Jonah's over here working on Manly's workshop. You got your tools in there?
Yes.
Are you the locksmith?
Yeah.
Okay, I think the cake has, I'm gonna set an 8-minute timer and we'll check it then. We're gonna go ahead and make the frosting, that way it can be cooling down a little bit. Okay, we need a cup of sugar in here and 1/3 of a cup of evaporated milk. I didn't have a can of evaporated milk. Now you can make your own by, evaporating your milk on the stovetop. Or you can use a little bit of heavy cream mixed with some milk, which is what I did. I'll put the measurements down below for how to do that, how to substitute it with milk and cream. Like if we only needed 1/3 of a cup, which is just close to 3 ounces of evaporated milk. But like say if you needed 12 ounces, then you would use 9 ounces of cream and 3 ounces of milk. Okay, now we're gonna bring this to a boil. We've just got it on medium. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna turn it down to low, cover it, and let it cook for 3 minutes. While we're waiting on that to boil, we're gonna go ahead and cube up 1/2 a cup of butter. Cece's gonna be cutting that into little cubes for me. And we need 1/2 a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. That's almost exactly what I have in this little jar. Let me check the cake one more time. We got about 4 more minutes left, but it might be ready. Oh yes, I think we're almost done. Maybe just 2 more minutes. Mine's only gonna end up taking around 26 to 28 minutes instead of the 30 to 35. Okay, we're boiling. Let's turn it down and cover it. And it says not to stir. We're gonna let it cook for 3 minutes and not stir it. I'm a little nervous about that because I don't want it to burn on the bottom, but I'll do what it said. Okay, we have about 30 more seconds. Okay, now we're gonna add in the butter. So we've added the butter. Now we're gonna add the chocolate chips, and we just stir it until all the chocolate chips and all the butter is melted. Then we're gonna let it cool just a little bit, then spread it on the cake. Y'all, he just asked what I was making for supper tonight, and I said cheeseburgers, and tell him what you said.
Thank the Lord. I thought we was gonna do some kind of new Italian dish. We got the banjo going in the background right here, and I'm gonna tell you something. This looks like a pound cake to me.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be pound cakey. It is. It's a little fluffier than a pound cake. It's not as dense feeling, but it's good. It's really good.
Y'all, that is great. My goodness. That's my kind of cake right there.
It definitely, again, has that really vintage grandma flavor.
I decided to cut a circle.
Yeah, he did as a circle.
We need a key to unlock this deal.
Over here we had some alien activity. That's a crop circle. His name was Manly. He took my French press when I wasn't looking, made a little imprint right there.